Hey guys, it's Arshad Ihlas here. Welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to do an unboxing of Google Pixel Watch. It's the LTE version. So what LTE does is basically, even if you're not near your phone, you can still make call from this amazing watch. So without any delay, let's dive into the video and learn more about this device. Hey guys, it's Arshad again. So this is the Google Pixel Watch LTE version that we can unbox today. It was released on 2023. Spec wise, this has a dial of 41mm and weighs only 36 grams, and it has a battery life up to 24 hours. Let's unbox and see the design of it. So this watch is made with 80% recycled stainless steel. It also comes with an active band, and it also comes in 4 different colors: matte black, polished silver with charcoal active band, polished silver with chalk active band, and champagne with hazel active band. Now let's open this pack and see what else is in this box. Looks like there is a charger. This charger can only be used for Google Pixel Watch. And for Google Pixel, this is the only charger that's available in the market. So inside the pack, there's an extra strap, and that's the charger right there. I tried Apple Watch's charger on Google Pixel Watch, but it doesn't work, FYI. And these are the manuals that you can use to read and understand about the device, but honestly, I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's just put it away for now. And also guys, this watch works with any Android device that runs Android 8.0 version or newer. So that's the sensor in the back of the watch. You will see a green LED light after you turn the device on. So to turn on, you have to hard press the crown, and then you'll see the Google logo, and that will turn on this watch. Also, this watch comes with numerous sensors, specifically a blood oxygen sensor, optical heart rate sensor, which you can use on day-to-day basis. This watch can also be used as a Fitbit to record your workout session. Overall, this is a smart choice and a smart watch for all Android users. So thank you guys, and stay tuned with my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel while watching the videos and hit that bell button for regular notification. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, peace out.